The Indian Railways have cancelled a global tender for the manufacture of 44 rakes of the Vande Bharat Express. The tender was floated on 10th of July this year by the Chennai-based Integral Coach Factory. While no major international company participated in the tender, the Chinese CRRC Yonggi Electric Company Limited's joint venture with Gurgaon-based Pioneer Philmed Private Limited did submit a bid. Although no official reason has been given for the cancellation, it is believed that the tender was cancelled to prevent a Chinese company from getting the orders. The ICF manufactured Train 18 is a state-of-the-art train set designed in-house by the ICF, and all the intellectual property rights are with the Indian Railways. But then, why did the railways go for a global tender in the first place? I have tried to answer this here. What are your views? Please share in the comments section. If you like this video and other videos on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon.